In today's video, I will teach you how to replace one object with another object using AIEASE. Let's get started. If you need to remove an object from a photo and seamlessly replace it with something else, AIEASE makes it incredibly easy using powerful AI tools. Whether you're swapping out a product, changing scenery, or just having fun with creative edits, AIEASE can do it in just a few clicks. So first, open your browser and go to AIEASE Object Replacer tool. Once you're on the page, you'll see the option to upload your own image or use free sample images provided by the site. AIEASE supports JPEG, JPG, PNG, BMP, and WebP file formats. Now click Upload and choose your image or try a sample to test it out. Now we're going to choose your editing mode. You'll now see two tabs on the left side, Auto and Manual. The Auto mode is text prompt based. In the search for box, you can type the object that you want to remove, like lamp, dog, or tree, and in the Replace With box, you can type what you want the AI to generate in its place, like vase, cat, or bush. Once you've entered both prompts, you can click the Generate button, and the AI will take about 10 seconds to process. Now the AI will return with multiple options, so pick your favorite or click Generate More if you're not happy with the result. You can also try the Manual mode. To do this, you can click the Try Manual or manually select the Manual tab at the top. Here, you'll have two selection tools, the Brush tool, which has an adjustable brush for precision, and Rectangle tool, which you can click and drag to mark the object, and you can resize and rotate it with the handles. After selecting the object, type a prompt for what you'd like to replace it with. Then click Generate to see the AI results. And on the left panel, you'll find a history of all the generated images, and you can click between them to compare auto versus manual results. And once you're satisfied, you can download your favorite version to your computer. Replacing one object with another in an image has never been easier. With AIEASE's AI Object Replacer, you can get professional level edits without needing advanced software. Whether you're editing for business, content creation, or just experimenting for fun, this tool gives you complete creative control in minutes. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.